Hi everyone, this is Mike Crowder. I'm the first brother of barbecue. I'm the younger brother of the president of barbecue, Rob Crowder. Wanted to do a shout out to President of Barbecue, thanking him for the videos that he's put on YouTube, and I wanted to show him some ribs that I cooked today. So these are baby back ribs that we got at the store. They've been cooking about 2 hours in the smoker, and they are ready to go into aluminum foil. So you can see that the color on them are perfect. We're going to wrap them up as the president told us to do it. Looking mighty fine. We'll close it back up for 2 more hours. Thanks again, President of Barbecue. We're looking forward to these ribs tonight.